Next thing we're gonna try is what? Is to get an orange color, yellow color, right? Who doesn't want this kind of color, right? Naturally, turmeric is the one to go, okay? Turmeric is cheapish, and it's easily available, okay? Any supermarket or any Indian store, they will have it. But the last time I tried, I only used 1 teaspoon of this powder, turmeric powder, and the color did not turn out. Okay, very light, very light. So this time I'm gonna double up. Okay, I'm gonna triple up, triple up. I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons into this. Okay, okay. So let me double check. Okay, 27 grams altogether. Let me tie it up. And I'm gonna pour this one to the max. Okay, I'll get 101, guys, that's 100 grams. Close the lid, shake up a little bit. Okay, this one, clean up. Okay, so we have tried out turmeric, okay, yellow color, but it has to be infused in oil, okay, for a while, okay, to get the consistency that you want. And what I found is 1 tablespoon will not do much for a 2 pounds oil. So I have double up, triple up, and use 2 tablespoons in this 100 grams of oil here, rice bran oil. Now I'm going to use the heat method to infuse everything, which I'm going to take you over to my crock pot and I'll show you. So this is how you do it. Turmeric powder, infuse in oil first. Then when you do your soaping, you can use this in the oil, get everything out as well, and use this as your oil replacement for your batch. Or okay, this is for you to experiment. Or you can add this as trace. Okay, when you have emulsion ready, add into the emulsion period or light trace. So that's how you do it. So I'm gonna swing the camera over to do an infusion, and if I feel lucky, I might do an after video, okay, as well, of how I follow up with you guys. Okay, my name is Chow. Thanks for watching. Please see my other video how you can experiment with your soap making. Check out my playlist. I'll see you next time with another video. Okay, bye.